Hi friends, now we are going to see the vegan recipe for the babies from 8 months to 2 years. First we have to add 3 spoons of moong dal and 3 spoons of rice, and we have to soak it for around 10 to 15 minutes. Then we have to add oil and ghee in the cooker, and then we have to add mustard, jeera. After it sputters, we have to add half onion, half tomato, half potato and half carrot. And then we have to add soaked moong dal and rice. We have to add salt. Then we have to add twice the amount of moong dal and rice of water. We have to leave it for 4 whistles. After that, our baby food is ready. You can serve it for baby.